In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WhatsApp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google to reach the official WhatsApp website and get to the Contact Us section safely and efficiently. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type WhatsApp, then review the search results carefully. You're looking for the official site, which clearly shows the WhatsApp name and the trusted domain. Be cautious of sponsored results or lookalike sites. Choosing the official result ensures you're getting accurate information and keeps your device secure. Click through to the official WhatsApp homepage. Once you're on the site, take a moment to let the page load fully. Layouts can vary by region and device, but you'll typically find helpful links at the top menu or in the footer. Look for the Need Help link. It may appear near Support, Help Center, or similar wording. Click Need Help to move into WhatsApp support resources. On the support area, you'll see options that guide you toward troubleshooting articles and assistance. Here, you're looking specifically for Contact Us. This link is often highlighted as a way to reach the team when self-help articles aren't enough. Click Contact Us to proceed. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. Site sections can shift with updates, and it may be grouped under support or help topics. When the Contact Us page opens, you're in the right place to access WhatsApp's official support channels. You may see information on contacting support, additional guidance, or links that route you to the correct contact path depending on your device or region. If the page offers a dedicated Contact Us option again, follow it to ensure you're viewing the most direct route to help. This keeps you on the official path and avoids detours. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Bookmark the official contact page so you can return to it without searching each time. If the site language isn't your preference, look for a language selector, often in the footer or within a menu. And if the interface looks different from what you expect, don't worry. Websites evolve. The key is to stay on the official domain and follow the Need Help and Contact Us links as shown. That's it. You've used Google to find the official WhatsApp site, navigated to Need Help, and continue to Contact Us so you can access legitimate support. Follow these steps anytime you need authoritative help straight from the source.